Shopping with Chris and Denise. I'm Chris Shepard, and this is my co-host, Denise Collins.
My contract says I'm not allowed to have any opinions.
Wonderful. So we have an exciting new product to share with you today. Hey, Denise, are you familiar with the Roomba?
Oh, am I? My Roomba's the only thing keeping my pathetic life together. Without it, everything would crumble apart like a little sandcastle, just to be sucked up by the universe's Roomba. Dad.
Terrific! I know! So the makers of the Roomba have created a new product that'll blow the old Roomba right out of the water. We here at Home Shopping with Chris and Denise are proud to present to you the latest advancement in hands-free cleaning technology, the Human Roomba.
Groundbreaking, I know.
You gonna clean that up?
Oh my God. Chris, is that a human being?
No, it's the Human Roomba.
Okay. Go on.
See, it has all the cleaning capacities of the Roomba, but the sense of fear of a human being. Watch this. Clean! Because I got the prints on it! Because it does!
Oh.
See?
Oh my God. Chris, where did you get her from?
From the makers of the Roomba.
No. Where did you get the human from?
The Human Roomba signed a contract, and legally, I don't have to answer that. So with, your old Roombas, they always ran on expensive electricity. This Human Roomba runs on fear and gushers.
Jesus.
You hungry?
Please, I haven't eaten in days.
You have to clean for it.
I can't, I'm too tired.
Did you just talk back to me?
No.
Clean! Oh! Every Human Roomba comes with a patented Broomba. You can't use it to clean, though. Each broom hair has a spiky little metal tip, so it'll scuff your floors.
Oh my Jesus Christ, Chris! This has to break every single labor law there is!
It's not labor if you don't pay them.
What? That's a human being! You can't force a human being to work against their will!
Legally, the Human Roomba hasn't been a person since it defaulted on its student loans and had no other way to settle its debts. When you purchase the Human Roomba, you legally own its cleaning capabilities and its organs. You want some?
Please.
Here you go. Here you go, you little shit boy.
That's it, Chris. I'm ending this now. I'm calling the authorities.
Do it. Go ahead, I dare you. Call them, and when they get here, I'll tell them what you did to the human refrigerator. That's what I thought. So with the Human Roomba, you can clean in all those hard-to-reach places because its bones are all wiggly from malnourishment. And you can use its head as a stress ball, because who the fuck's gonna stop you?
You know what? I can't do this anymore. I don't care if I majored in art history and can't find a job. I'm out, and me and the rest of the Roombas are unionizing.
That's from the other little bugs the Human Roombas get. Sometimes they think they have rights. But we can take care of that. Oh, Jeffrey. Drop the Roomba.
I love mushrooms.